Buffer solution. What is buffer solution? Buffer solution is a solution which resists the change in hydrogen ion concentration on addition of small amount of acid or base into it. So we could say buffer solution is a water solvent based solution which will consist of a mixture that is going to contain a weak acid and the conjugate base of the weak acid, or it can be a combination of a weak base and the conjugate acid of the weak base. So they are the solution which will have a constant value of pH. Doesn't matter what we are adding into them, whether we add an additional amount of acid or a base into a solution, but the pH of that particular solution will remain constant. Then those solutions are considered to be buffer solution. And buffer solution is classified basically into two types as acidic buffer and alkaline buffer or basic buffer. So acidic buffer are the solution that will have pH below 7 and it will contain equimolar concentration of weak acid and a salt with a strong base. If this combination of buffer solution is prepared, that is equimolar concentration of weak acid and its salt with a strong base, then that particular solution will have a pH value less than 7 and we call that as acidic buffer. For example, if we take any weak acid like acetic acid and to that we are adding equimolar concentration of sodium acetate, then the concentration of acetate ion increases, but this acetate ion will neutralize the effect of your hydrogen ion and resultant the pH will remain the same. Hence we call that as acidic buffer. If we talk about basic buffer will have a pH above 7 and that will contain a combination of weak base and one of its salt. So it is an equimolar concentration of solution of weak base with its salt with a strong acid. For example, if we take ammonium hydroxide dissociates to ammonium ion and hydroxide ion that has ammonium chloride which also gives ammonium ion. So to this ammonium ion combines with hydroxide ion and neutralizes its effect, then the pH remains same. And next we have the calculation of the pH based on the Henderson equation. So Henderson equation is used to calculate the pH of the buffer prepared from a mixture of the salt and the weak acid or a base. This equation can also be useful in calculating the pKa value. Third, buffer solution of needed pH can be prepared using the Henderson equation. So in simple, if we try to get the formula, we have pH of acid buffer to be equal to pKa value plus salt by acid. In the similar way, if I want to calculate pOH of a basic buffer, we could say it as pKb by plus log of salt by acid. Third, we can also calculate pH of a basic buffer as pKa minus log of salt by acid. So if we want to simplify, we could say that for acidic buffer, pH is equal to pKa plus log of salt by acid. For basic buffer, pH is equal to 14 minus pKa minus log of salt by acid. So these are all the basic formula of calculating pH value for acid buffer or basic buffer with the help of Henderson equation.